Hey everyone, welcome back. On the channel, let's go to the site, log in through your account. Yes, right now. And so, there's this thing called Epic Games Rewards. So yeah, Epic Games Rewards. Here you can see how many you have. You can use them for purchases, subscriptions, and so on with US